Hello students, in today's video I am going to talk about an interesting topic, that is cryptography. Crypto, the word crypto means secret or hidden. Graphy means writing. Graphy means writing. So it is secret writing. It's an art of communication between two people by keeping the information not known to others. That is, only those for whom the information is intended can read or process it. Suppose person A has to send a message to person B. Suppose A and B, they wanted to share some information. So A will, suppose the message, we call it as some X. It is the plain text form now. It is in the plain text form. Now he will encode it. This message is encoded. Encoded means he will change that plain text message into an unreadable form. That is called encode. So he is encoding it, and then this message will come out as some other message, Y. We call it as Y. And in between, if there is a third channel here, so in between there is a channel here, some channel or somebody in between, they will get the message as Y. From here it will go out as Y, so this person will receive it as Y here, and person B will decode it. Okay, the person B will decode it. Decode means he will change that unreadable, that message, bring back to the original form. He will get back to the original form. That is called decoding. So finally, after decoding, it will reach that person B as X message. The X message is reaching that person B after encoding and decoding. So this process of encoding is called as encryption. This process is called as encryption, and here we call this process of changing back into the original form is called as decryption. So let us now see how we are going to use matrices in this. So one of the most important application of the inverse matrices is in cryptography. Let us see how we use matrices. For example, I am going to take a simple message. I am going to take it as hi. This is the message I am going to send to the person B. For that, first I need a basic code. I am going to use a code. So the code can be anything. I am going to use the basic code. The basic code I am going to use is 0 for space and 1 for A, 2 for B, like that. You know that 26 for Z. So we are going to use this basic code, and I need an encrypted matrix or encoded matrix. That can be anything. So we need a matrix. So I am going to take a matrix here as encoded matrix. So let us take one matrix as some matrix we can take. For example, I will take a matrix 2, 3, 2, 1. This is the matrix I am going to take.
So we can take any matrix. The only condition is it should be a non-singular matrix. That is, the determinant of this matrix should not be equal to 0. So for this it is 2 minus 6, it is minus 4.
This word HAI, I have to make it as a matrix, okay, that we call it as message matrix. So this is your encode matrix. This is your encoded matrix. Encoded matrix or encryption matrix is also called encryption matrix. Now this matrix is in 2 by 2 form. So now this is the encoded matrix. It is a 2 by 2 matrix. Now I'm going to write a message matrix of message. That is message matrix. This message as a matrix, that is I'm calling it as message matrix. Now the message matrix should be of the order should be dash into 2 because your encoded matrix is 2 by 2. You know that these two should be equal. If you have to multiply, this should be equal. I'm going to pre-multiply. Okay, so that also is very important. I can either pre-multiply or post-multiply. So this is a 2 by 2 matrix. So this should be some matrix with a number of columns should be 2. So I'm going to write it as that matrix as, I have taken the matrix as HAI. So H is the alphabet code is 8. This is 1. I is, what is the alphabet for I? I is 9. Okay. So I'm going to write it as 8 and 1 as one matrix. 8, 1. I have tried it as some matrix of order. Number of columns should be 2. So I should write it like this. So number of columns should be 2. So I should write it as 8 and 1. So that is the matrix I am going to write. The second matrix 9 and 0. And 0.
I put 9 and 0 to get a 1 by 2 matrix.
So now we have to multiply the message matrix and the E matrix. I'm going to multiply the message matrix is 8, 1 with your encoded matrix, that is I have taken as 2, 3, 2, 1. So just multiply this, normal multiplication. So what do you get? 8 into 2, 16 plus 2, that is 18. 18, isn't it? This is actually 1 by 2 and 2 by 2 matrix. So it's a 18 1 by 2 matrix. Now this is 8 into 3, 24 plus 1, 25. So I got a matrix 25. Again the second one, again message into matrix. The second is message into E. So what is that? 9, 0. So 9, 0. Again multiply by 2, 3, 2, 1. So we get the answer 18. Then first row and second column 27. 18 and 27, correct? Yeah. So now, so the message, so matrix E is this. So encrypted message matrix is encrypted message matrix. So the message matrix is, write all the matrices together, 18, 25, 18, 27. This is what is getting, right? This is the message you're giving to him. Now we can write this message now. Now we're going to decode this. Your friend has to decode this message. Now to decode this, he has to multiply. To decode this, your friend B has to multiply with, D has to multiply this by the inverse matrix. To decode this, he has to multiply. So what is the matrix I have taken? The matrix E is, I have taken the matrix E as 2, 3, 2, 1. 2, 3, 2, 1. So inverse is 1 by determinant of E into adjoint of E, that is 1 by 2 minus 6, that is minus 4. Then interchange these two, 1, 2, minus 3, minus 2. So we got the inverse. Now we have to multiply that matrix, the message matrix 18, 25 into this. I'll multiply the scalar outside into this matrix 1, minus 3, minus 2, 2. So we get the answer 18 into 1 minus 18 into 1 minus 15. That is equal to minus 32. Then 18 minus 54, and that is minus 4. So when you divide by minus 4, you get the answer 8 and 1. Okay, that's the first answer you're getting. 1 by 2 and 2 by 2 is 2 by 1. Okay, now next matrix is minus 1 by 4. The second matrix we got is 18 and 27. So 18 and 27, you are multiplying by the inverse 1 minus 3 minus 2, 2. So we get the answer minus 1 by 4, 18 minus 54, 36. Then 18 minus and plus 0. So it is equal to 9, 0. So the decoded thing is, the decoded matrix is, so finally we got the decoded matrix message. The decoded multiply with this, we get the basic message, decoded message we got, that is equal to 8190. 8 is H, this is A, this is I, space. So the word is the word that we have given. The message is hi was the message we gave, and your friend got it after decoding. So this is a space here. So the message is hi is the message. So the word, actually what we have done is we took one matrix, this is encoded matrix, then this is the message we have taken. So we have given some numbers, H as 8, A as 1, I as 9, and we have grouped it as two matrices of order 1 by 2, because we are going to multiply. This order is 2 by 2, so this matrix, message matrix, should be of order anything of, and it can be of anything, but the column, number of columns should be 2. So I have taken it as a 1 by 2 matrix and 1 by 2 matrix. So multiply 8, 1 and with the matrix, encoded matrix, we got the answer 1825. Again the next two alphabets 9, 0. So multiply this by 2, 3, 2, 1, we got this. So this is a message we have sent to a friend, 1825, 1827. Now he has to decode it. To decode it, he has to multiply by the inverse of that matrix. So this matrix also should be given to him. This is a secret key. So you have to multiply by the inverse. So we found the inverse and we multiplied 1825 into the inverse matrix. We got the answer 81. 1827 is the next code. We multiplied by the inverse. We got the answer 90. We put them together, 8190. 8 is the alphabet H. 1 is the alphabet A. 9 is the alphabet I. And this is space, nothing. So hi was the message. So we can go through this summary. That is a summary of cryptography. Just read this. Cryptography is an art of communication. It is based on two factors, encryption, decryption. Encryption is the process of transformation into unreadable form. That is encoded matrix we use. And here decryption, what do? We bring back to the original form. Encryption, decryption we use when we do a message transfer. Encryption, decryption require a secret technique which is known only to the sender and the receiver. Here the matrix was the secret code and also the alphabets. So this is one of the most important application. So we are going to use a non-singular matrix to encrypt a message by the sender. The receiver will decode it by using the inverse. So the matrix we use in encryption is called encryption matrix, and used for decoding is called as the decoding matrix. Thank you.